Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spooky, evil snowman type look for Christmas. So let's get started. Okay, to start off, I'm going to go in with my Mehron Clown White Light Cream and just apply that all over my face. Now that I have a good white base, I'm going to set it in with this white powder I have. This is like a Harlow, just a normal white powder. Okay, all powdered up. Now I think I'm going to do the carrot nose next. So I'm going to take the orange from my Mehron palette, this little guy, and try to draw a cute little carrot nose. Well, cute yet frightening. It's got a little, I think it's a cute little carrot. Okay, now I'm going to slightly outline the carrot nose and add some carrot lines. So I'm going to use my NYX Epic Ink Liner and just go at it. Okay, now I'm just adding a bit of black eyeshadow to the carrot nose to make it a bit more realistic. Okay, I kind of want to do a icy, sharp-toothed, freaky snowman mouth. So I'm gonna try to kind of outline the crazy teeth and then go at the mouth a bit. So let's see. I'm just gonna use the same liquid eyeliner and just try lining it out. Now that I got the teeth kind of lined out, I'm gonna I can't talk today. Okay, now that I got the teeth kind of lined out, I'm gonna go in and fill it in between the teeth with a black. I'm gonna use this Superstar black water activated paint and just fill in between all the teeth. I feel like this needs to be more dramatic, so I'm going to make it more dramatic. I'm going to bring it up and make it even thicker and more mouth going on. Now that I have that, I'm going to go in with the black eyeshadow and slightly shadow around the teeth and kind of form the mouth. Now that I have that, I'm gonna go back in with my liquid liner and kind of sharpen some of the teeth and whip it out, kinda, if that makes sense. Now I'm gonna touch up the inner black of the mouth and just make it more even black. Now that I have that going on, I'm gonna go in with a light blue around my eyes. I'm gonna use this, I have this light blue color that I'm gonna put around my eyes. I just wanna do like a shadow round, and then I'm gonna add black on top. I think I'm also gonna add some around the mouth too, just like a hint of blue. Now I'm gonna take black around my eyes. I'm gonna use the same black I was using before, the Superstar water activated one. And just go over most of the blue. I'm gonna try to make kind of like an angry snowman face. So I'm gonna try to make angry eyes. It looks kind of angry. Looking nice and evil. I think I'm gonna add some fake blood. I have this Kryolan Dark FX blood I'm gonna use. And just kind of drip it on. This blood is a bit too thick for me, like it's not dripping how I want it to be, so I'm gonna try this Mehron Stage Blood and see if I can get this like drippy blood effect I'm going for. That's better. I'm gonna use this little guy and just kind of spread it out. Gonna bloody up the teeth. Now I want to add some more black eyeshadow around the eyes. I should have done this before the blood because now it's sticky, but I guess it is what it is. So I went ahead and popped on a beanie and a scarf. So I'm officially a spooky snowman. So that is all for this look today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye guys.